So this is the new stad, and behind there is water. Along here is water. There shouldn't be water here. God, that's fast, that river. So these trees here, all these trees, the waters are normally at the river's the other side of those. Garden there, inundated. Oh my God. When I was asked, saw a photo. This is the kiosk I sent the photo of, shared with you, Les Petits Sardines. Oof. And that white strip, there's a tennis table under that. Oh, there's the mayor. The pompiers. I don't know what they're coming to do. Maybe they're coming to... Well, what can they do? They can't pump that out yet. I think the news suggests that the Gartempe, which is this river, broke its banks at about 4 o'clock, 4:30 this morning. And there's a emergency protocol in memoriam where when the river reaches a certain height, an alarm will sound. And the alarm didn't go off. So I think the police were going around with megaphones evacuating people. I think the last time we were here he was dressed the same and a week out of hospital and walked and drove the car home, as I recall. I'm having to be careful. I wasn't well yesterday, I had vertigo. Oh, excuse me, what? I just walked across the cyclist. So yeah, turning quickly, and I'm actually fine this morning and today. I keep thinking, oh my god, I'm walking properly and turning properly, and sort of worried that I'm going to overbalance. Next up, Saint-Savin. So this is on our way from Ontigny into Saint-Savin. And Mark commented just now that we haven't seen it flooded this badly. We've been here 17 years. I think it's 18, isn't it? It'll be 18 in November, but that's how long we've been here, and we've never seen it flood this much. Goodness me. Wow. Right up to that house. As you can see, there's more to come. When I was doing a cloud video from the garden at lunchtime, and the clouds are coming this way, coming towards, coming from the northeast. So I imagine we've got more to come. I think if I looked at the weather forecast, I think it said we got showers tomorrow, but nothing like what we had yesterday. I was paying attention, but not paying attention, but it just rained and rained and rained, and was heavy rain, yeah, quite persistent. Obviously you can see that now. Bit of a bonus vlog. You've got a road trip in between. And clouds. Road trip, clouds, flooding, oilseed rape. Makes up for the lack of video yesterday. Maybe. Trees, they're all sweet chestnut trees. Well, it's taking me, I'm going to stop here. I'm going into the loo. Are you going to park over there maybe? Yeah. And I'll meet you here. Can't go through there because the route's barred. I'm a bit shocked to be not being able to get over there where that shelter is with a notice board. That's quite high there, that where you can park your car there where those trees are. That's a bit of a shock. So we watched them recovering that boat from the parking at Antony. It took them a while because they couldn't get it through the barriers. Now they're down there wading. I don't know whether they think they're going to have to evacuate people along there. Sorry, I had a problem with my scarf. So when we came here the other day, we walked over the bridge. We parked just here. Mark was planning that today. He was planning to turn down here and park. I said, I don't think you'll be able to do that. There's somebody's garden, all the chickens round the edge. Thinking, should we turn into ducks? It's funny, I see that house as we drive past and I think it's nearer the road, but I didn't realise there was quite so much ground in front. This is our route down to the doctor's. We go down to the doctor's surgery, we go down this road. Oh, they're back with their boat, desperately looking for people to rescue. So I've just been speaking to Sylvie, who lives next door to Cleo, which is up the road. the Grand Rue up there, but she says they're fine. The road rises from here, sort of, there's a slight incline, and she said they're fine. Bonjour. Yeah. I can see from here that Beatrice's house is flooded. Beatrice, who we first met when we came, sorted the wood out for us, Lepinois. Oh. Her house is behind this house.
I thought she lived in the square.
Well, yeah, but I think she owns that house as well. Because I remember her saying some time back she was worried about it. I think she still owns it. That'll be well flooded. Okay, take me across, mister. I'm getting a bit... You're taking me across? Oh. Yeah. What, you thought I was taking you across? Oh. There's bloody Chinese coming and making another island. Did you see the front of that house?
Which house are you talking about?
That one?
Yeah.
The lake with the chickens round it, wishing they were ducks. Yeah. Okay, there we do. We're going shopping now. Run out of prawns. Said to Mark last night when he was making his supper, I said, there's prawns if you want them. I said, I bet you won't use them because you'll have to peel them. And that worked. Huh? Oh, sorry. How's that? Yeah, so he said that's a challenge, and I thought, good, that gets them used up. So he peeled prawns.
There's only about 4 left.
There weren't.
There were?
Really? 4? No, there were more than 4.
No, after I'd filled my sandwich.
So what did you do with 4 that were left?
I filled my sandwich a bit more.
Oh, good. I was going to say.
So they weren't wasted, see? You're pleased I did it.
No, because I could have eaten them along with some more prawns for today. Okay, I'm going to stop there before we start bickering. Oh, too late. There's some people making the most of a bad situation. Or are they evacuating themselves?